Hi, my name is Isabel, and now I'm going to show you how to create your own robot avatar. For this purpose, you can use programs, for example, like Paintbrush, CorelDRAW, or Photoshop. If you create an own avatar for yourself, you can use it, for example, as an online profile. To learn how to create your own fun avatars, you can start, for example, with a robot avatar because it's easy to create and it takes no real technical expertise. The easiest way for doing avatars is Paintbrush. If you go to Start menu, in all programs you select Accessories, and here you select Paint, you click on it. Now let's make a new project that is 1 inch by 1 inch. If you go to Image and you select Attributes, you can modify the width and the height of the paper on which you are working. You can select the units for inches, centimeters or pixels. Now we need, for example, 1 to 1 inches. Okay. Let's select now the modifier tool. And let's make this paper 6 times bigger. Now it will be easier to work with it. Okay, let's start to create our small robot. Just a head. Let's make a small neck. Okay, here is the body of the robot. Let's make the leg. Okay, if you would like to make it easier, select the leg or select the item that you would like to copy. Do a copy paste or push the buttons Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Now it disappears here, but we need the leg to the opposite direction. So we go to Image, Flip and Rotate, and we flip it horizontal. Okay. Now we have the leg. We put it here, and we just simply draw some arms to our small robot. And with this Paintbrush tool, it's too big. Okay, it goes. Let's make, for example, nice blue eyes. And with this pencil tool, let's make him smile. And let's make some buttons. Well, here you are. If you go back with the magnifier tool, you just have to click on this white surface once, and you will have it in without zoom. Here you are. Here's the picture, which you can just go to the file and save if you would like.